In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on About Phone at the bottom. Then click on Device Name and finally type in whatever you want to, like Sunny. When you finished, hit OK to save your changes and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my HUAWEI has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!